If you're tired but can't sleep, watch this. It's 11 p.m. You've brushed your teeth, you have set an alarm, and your phone is on silent. You're exhausted and ready to sleep. But as soon as you lie down, your mind starts racing with worries. Tomorrow's presentation, that awkward conversation you had in the morning, or anything else apart from sleep comes into your mind. Then you check the clock, it's midnight. Now you're frustrated and tired. Sounds familiar? Here's what's happening. Your brain has been in problem solving mode for 16 plus hours straight. When you lie down and expect it to just stop, it can't. Your brain does not have an off switch. It needs a bridge from doing mode to sleeping mode. So today, I'll be sharing 3 simple steps that will help your mind wind down. Step 1, clear. Your head's full from all the things that you're worried about the entire day. Let's clear some space so that sleep can enter. Here's what you do. Grab a notepad and spend just 2 minutes writing down everything that's on your mind. Your to-dos, your worries, your random thoughts, anything. Don't try to fix anything, just get it out of your brain and onto the paper. Then ask yourself, what went well today? Spend 2 minutes on this. It switches your brain from stress mode to gratitude mode. This will help clear your brain. But clearing your mind is only the first step. Let's move on to step 2. Step 2 is calm. Now gently guide your body towards sleep. As you dim the lights and settle into bed, use 4:6 breathing technique. Breathe in 4 counts and breathe out 6 counts. This ratio naturally calms your nervous system. Do this for 8 to 10 minutes. After that, while you're drifting into sleep, we are generally asked to count numbers. But don't count. Counting actually wakes up the brain instead of calming it down. Instead, picture something peaceful while you sleep and breathe. Maybe gentle waves on a quiet beach or floating in a calm lake. Don't force an image, just drift into anything that your mind lands into. But even with clear mind and calm breathing, there is still one last thing that can ruin your sleep. Staying asleep can be as tricky as falling asleep. So we have step 3, which is a very essential step. Step 3 is close. Here are your sleep guardians that will protect your rest. We need to stop the micro wakeups. So no drinks 1 hour before bed. And get blackout curtains if you can. Even tiny amounts of light can wake you up. Number 2, check the room temperature. If your room gets too hot or too cold, it'll pull you right out of deep sleep. Use light layers instead of heavy blankets so that you can adjust easily if you get too hot or cold during the night. Step number 3 is if you wake up at night, resist checking the clock. Instead, repeat this: I trust my body, I'll drift right back into sleep, and use the 4-6 breathing method that we spoke about earlier. When you nail these 3 steps, you will wake up well rested and completely relaxed. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you again with the next video.